What's the meaning of boarding pass? Boarding pass. Boarding pass.
Boarding pass. Boarding pass. A boarding pass is a document that grants a passenger the right to board an airplane for a particular flight. It typically contains essential information such as the passenger's name, flight number, departure and arrival airports, seat assignment, and boarding time. The boarding pass is usually obtained during the check-in process either online or at the airport and can be printed or stored digitally on a mobile device. It is necessary to present the boarding pass along with a valid form of identification before boarding the plane. Failing to provide a boarding pass or presenting an expired one could result in denial of boarding.